In terms of the next bit of wet weather, I'll talk about that in just a moment. But first, we'll go. Let's show the numbers. The numbers are coming together like this. 45, we're not going to add to that. That was your high temperature of the day. Right around lunchtime, 12, 19, 41 was your low. You're 5 degrees cooler than you should be this time of the year. The record, 72, set back in 1896. Did not touch that one. 12, the record low in 1932. Expect a day tomorrow very similar to what you had today. The same sort of day. The next chance for rain, there's going to be a slight chance for rain on Friday. I think it's more likely to find it late Saturday, maybe into early Sunday, but it's not a washout of a weekend by any stretch, because Sunday, by the time you get to the afternoon, we're talking mid-50s or warmer for a good portion of our area. Tomorrow, we will go 45. Again, just like today, it's still blustery out there. It's that sun and cloud mix, maybe a little bit more peaks of sun here or there, but you're still going to battle the clouds to a certain degree. But those winds could still be gusting tomorrow, 35 miles per hour or stronger. Look at this. Couple of little snowflakes getting close to Poughkeepsie right now in Dutchess County. Let me give you the big picture. We'll talk about some of the dynamics at play here. All right, there's that low pressure we talked about up around the coast of Maine. It's right there. So when you look at this and you see back around, say, West Virginia or so, you see more snow showers. Maybe you're thinking, well, could those snow showers possibly creep right into the tri-state area? Well, the answer there is no, because this low pressure system up around Maine is moving. It's moving up towards like the Owen vortex. Okay, it's moving to the northeast. Well, it's going to drag this front with us. If this front was draped down south, then I would say, sure, we have a chance for it. It's not going to happen. It's going to take any of that moisture with it. It dries out in the process, and I think we're doing okay. Again, a day very much like what we had today. We get that tomorrow. Our next chance for rain is all the way out here around the West Coast. Slight chance Friday night. Better chance is going to be later Saturday. So as you look at the first half of December, which is on its way here, the first 7 days, December 1st through the 7th, looks like we want to be above normal with the jet stream pulling in some of this mild air from the south. But everything's going to flip-flop for the second week of December, because we're looking at a big dip in the jet stream. And as that dip develops, that sort of fills in with all that cold air. Basically, the jet stream kind of flows like a sine curve. One half of the country gets the warm air at times. The other half gets the cold air. Well, I think that second half of December is when we will tap into the colder air. Here's how the numbers come together. 45 degrees for your day tomorrow. We talked about that. Then we'll be 47. 45 by the time we get to Thursday, 43 for Friday. Across the board, I don't see a lot of changes happening out there. Kind of like, that sun and cloud mix throughout, sort of windy and breezy at times. Then you get to the weekend, and I do think that mild air is going to get here by Sunday, 55, 56 degrees in the city.
Well, the Giants are playing Sunday, right?
Yeah, home game. As long as there's no rain for once.
So we'll be cheering for the weather.
Nothing else to cheer about, that's for sure. We're going to a Giant game. All right.
Thanks, Lonnie.